Hello and welcome to this quick video. Now, sometimes at this time of year I do a video talking about Christmas present ideas. And those of us who are in the hobby, who are getting into the winter part of the year here in the Northern Hemisphere anyway, tend to get that question a lot. What do you want for Christmas? And usually most of us have no idea. However, I've got a couple of things that I thought I would share with you as potential ideas for the next time a friend or family member asked you that question, or maybe you get a couple of quid for Christmas. This, believe it or not, is a chair. Now, when I first started flying radio control FPV, I got a lot of dizziness and vertigo, motion sickness, I guess you'd call it. And I treated myself to basically a camping chair that was probably 2 or 3 times the size of this box in terms of length. It was very quick and easy to set up, and it helped me over the first 2 or 3 months of just feeling like I was going to be sick all over my shoes, even after a relatively short time of FPV flying. Now, the good news is, if you persevere with that stuff, you can usually build up your tolerance, and now FPV is my favourite way to fly. However, if you potentially have a place that you like to fly, that you would benefit from having somewhere to sit down and also somewhere potentially to put your radio and other bits and pieces out the way of any muddy areas, things like this can be really handy. So this one is from Oddity RC, as you've already seen. Really simple, easy to set up. It just kind of pops together with elasticated pieces. Just be aware, if you're a little bit older, it is quite low. This thing is rated for 200 to 120 kilograms, has a little place to kind of keep your drink at the side, but with it being quite low, if your knees aren't great, it's going to be a bit of a pain in the butt to get in and out of. However, if your knees still work and enjoy them while you've got them, then this is quite a cute, very lightweight thing that you can take along to the field with you, set up in a matter of minutes, have a place to sit when you are flying FPV so that you don't fall over, or a place to rest and have a sip of a can while your friends are flying around and you're being a spectator. So I just thought I would link to this, link down below if you want to go and check it out. They're not particularly expensive. Loads of options for this, including regular camping chairs, but this one, being so small and compact, makes it super easy to take to the field and use on a regular basis. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.